Frustrated by the Tun2socks Proxy DLL error causing Tun2socks Project to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. As we get into the manual process for Tun2socks Proxy, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Tun2socks Proxy, a specialized networking library that allows applications to tunnel TCP and UDP traffic through a SOC S5 proxy at the system level. It is essential for game boosters and advanced VPN tools. If missing, the specialized network tunnel will fail to initialize, resulting in a network adapter bind failure, or no internet connectivity within the tool. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Tun2socks Proxy DLL is required by Tun2socks Project to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Tun2socks Project ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Tun2socks proxy component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Tun2socks Proxy DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Tun2socks Proxy. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Tun2socks Proxy and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.